guys, what's up? Hi. Yes, what's up, guys? It's me, Anushka, and I'm live. Hey, Zainab Treasure. Hi. Hey, Zainab. Hi. How are you? How are you? Hi. Hi, Kushi. What's up? Hey, guys. Hi, Ayush. Hi, everyone. So thank you firstly for so much love to my new promo. इतना प्यार आपने दिया है रानी को already. I just can't wait for y'all to see the second promo and also our show, of course. But our show is gonna come like in a month or something. So till then, our promo is gonna come. Some BTS is gonna come, and yeah, stuff like that. And I'm just really excited for y'all to see and what like reaction is gonna be. Hi, baby Ekta here. Was missing you, so Sakina helped me. Hey, Ekta, what's up? I love this lip. Thank you. Even me, I'm kind of feeling myself today. Oh my god. Some lit edits gonna come. Yeah. Wow. So we crossed 16k viewers. That was epic. Thank you. And also I want to say, all my fans, thank you for being so supportive in every way. I saw you guys are like doing so much for me, and I was so happy. Thank you for all the edits. Thank you for everything you guys are doing, and just really means a lot to me. Thank you, Israr. Thank you. Love your lipstick. Thank you. It's from Renee. And y'all know I don't do red lipstick that much, but then today was the day. Sometimes my mom says hi, by the way. She's like waving at me, so I oh my god. But actually thank you. मतलब सही में रानी इतना अलग कैरेक्टर है. इवन फॉर मी एज एन एक्टर आई एम सेइंग इट्स इतना अलग है एंड इतना एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए है. मतलब बिकॉज इट्स टोटली देयर इज लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंसेस एक्चुअली. लाइक जितना मैं दिन के दिन आई एम रीडिंग माई स्क्रिप्ट्स एंड गेटिंग टू नो अबाउट द कैरेक्टर इवन मोर, मुझे ये पता चल रहा है कि अनुष्का एंड रानी आर सम वेज इन पर्सनैलिटी वाइज प्रॉब्ली सम थिंग्स मिलते हैं उनके. जैसे वो भी दिल से बात करती है एंड रानी ऑल्सो दिल से बात करती है. एंड बोथ ऑफ देम आर लाइक रियल. दे डोंट have any mask on or anything, you know what I mean. तो जो भी दिल में रहता है वो बोल देते हैं. एंड बट जो डिफरेंसेस हैं जिसके लिए मुझे एक्चुअली प्रिपेयर मैं कर रही हूँ, इट्स एज यू कैन सी इन द प्रोमो इटसेल्फ कि मतलब द एक्सेंट और वो यूपी से है, मस्त बलिया से. सो शी इज फ्रॉम बलिया, राइट, यूपी. एंड I'm just preparing and how to just switch, not speak basic Hindi and all that. So वो सब चल रहा है अभी. prepare कर रही हूँ मैं and practice कर रही हूँ and how to do it and all, and exploring even more that what else we can do, something which you have not seen before. तो झांसी की रानी was a very good character जो मैंने play किया था, but this is like totally different and I've never played this before. Even the look is different, which is not in the promo. That's there's a hint of it, but then there are a lot of features which you don't know about, and for everything like आपको अगर पूरा पता चलना, मतलब पता करना है कि रानी कैसी है, क्या करती है, क्या पहनती है, क्या बोलती है, whatever, you have to see the show. I mean, so I'm very excited about that. And but thank you इतना आपने प्रोमो को प्यार दिया, and promo is really special for me. हमने शूट किया पूरे safety and precautions के साथ, of course. But the new team, new cast members, new crew, they are very nice and I'm having good fun. Yeah, man, I mean, I'm an actor, so this is what I do, and something which challenges me just basically is what I live for. I mean, if it doesn't challenge me, then it's no point. So this role challenges me in so many ways and it's fun. I mean, I just missed being on set. Hey Vishal, what's up? क्या चल रहा है? So yeah, man, this new show is just that's what I'm doing the entire time. The entire week I've been busy doing that, preparing for it, and having script readings and workshops and blah blah. But I'm very excited, honestly. I mean, I can't wait कि आप सब देखें उसको और रानी को प्यार दे अपना. So yeah, 20th October, it's gonna be Monday to Saturday, which is good because you don't have to wait for 2 days, you have to just wait for 1 day to see it again. So Monday to Saturday on Z from October 20. And yeah, that's all, man. I mean, so you guys tell me what's up, क्या चल रहा है, what's going on in your lives. I mean, we can't wait. I love all the edits, guys. I mean, कितना आप लोग talented, oh my god. Why you not checking my DM? So this I'll reply. So see, as I told you, I'm very busy in my script readings and workshop, but I'm replying to groups only right now. I'm focusing on that. I mean, trying to be as active as possible, but only on groups. How gorgeous you look, dang, thank you. Anushka, it will be a blockbuster. Thank you so much. Online classes, wow, all the best for that. All the best. Khushi. Some names I'm gonna take. Hi Ekta, hi Sonia, hi Rabi, hi Shiza, hi Harshita. I'm eating ice cream, which you don't love. Guess what is it? I don't know. It's not that I don't like ice cream. I just don't have it because it's just I'm always scared it's gonna spoil my throat and stuff. Can you say hi, Jeet Patel? Hi, Jeet Patel, who made 1 lakh score. I don't know how you guys are doing that. I mean, कैसे करते हो? मेरे को सिखाओ यार. मेरे से नहीं होता है. Your outfits are really cool. Thank you. Monica, I've not heard before. It's really cool, yeah. Do watch the Shadow Hunters. Sure, I'll watch. School's gonna reopen from 23rd. Wow. Even in the COVID situation, how's that going on for you? See, I'm trying to add people. होता नहीं है, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता. क्यों? Why are you doing this to me, Insta? I'm trying to add Nyonika, which is not happening. Sorry, Nyonika, I couldn't add you. Wani. Blessed to have you. Thank you, Ayusha. Thank you so much. You live in Pakistan. यहाँ पर तो खुल रहा है. अच्छा, wow, yeah. Good, yeah, Zainab. You like my eyes today? Thanks. Thank you. Hi, Zainab. I can't hear you.
Hey Anushka, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I can't see you though. You're not allowed to show your face or something?
I'm not looking good right now.
No, it's okay. It's okay. I know you're looking good. I'm sure. See, you're looking so good. You're looking so good. Are you kidding me? Wow.
Thank you.
So natural, so nice and good. I really like your account, Zainab.
Thank you so much. You mean a lot to me. I'm literally shivering right now.
Oh, no, no need to do that. And you're looking actually really sweet.
Thank you. Anushka, will you come Pakistan after coronavirus?
Actually after coronavirus, there's a long list of places I have to visit, but I will, once this COVID is over, I will visit those places for sure. And I would love to meet you.
There are so many Anushkians from Pakistan.
Yeah? Oh, how sweet. I would love to meet you guys. Definitely.
Thank you.
Thank you, Zainab, and take care of yourself.
Thank you.
I really like your edits and really like your account. So thank you. Thank you for that.
No problem.
Thank you, Zanab. Thank you for joining. Take care.
Okay, bye. Love you.
Bye. How sweet. So good she was looking. Looking actually very good, Zanab. Finally, I can add people. Thank God. Why is it 20th October today? Hi, Roshni. What's up? What's up? Where are you, Roshni? Where are you? So pretty. Thank you. Thank you, Roshni. Somebody got new hair and all done. Pretty cool, yeah. नजर ना लगे. Oh. ओहो. थैंक यू. नहीं लगेगी. इतने अच्छे अच्छे दोस्त हैं मेरे. इतने सारे लोग हैं जो मेरे लिए इतना अच्छा अच्छा सोचते हैं. अच्छा इतने अच्छे दोस्त हो सब लोग. कैसे लगेगी नजर मेरे को बताओ. ओह 17K viewers man. Damn. Cool yeah. I'm literally crying. I love you so much. Thank you. Thank you Zena for joining. Hi Vedant. I'm gonna take some name. Mysterious Anushka 31. I wanna know why mysterious. Hi. How are you? Long time. Glossy. I don't know why I like calling you Glossy. I know what your name is, but I really like it. And you know, I call it my only K-drama friend. You have to go to Korea, no? I mean, like, you know, actually, guys, पता है क्या होता था पहले? I used to be like कि नहीं, I don't want to watch K-drama. I mean, you know, but that was mom's phone. Okay. Also, sorry for being so weird. You're not. No, I'm not shooting today. I'm not actually shooting right now. We're gonna start shooting this week. All script readings are going on. Workshop is going on. But today is a day off. Yesterday I was there, but today aaj chutti hai. So yeah, at home. Please say my name. Hi Soumya. Where is Sindra? Sindra is probably in that room. Let's see.
Hi.
Hi, how are you? I can't see you.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi, Anushka. What's up?
How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm good. All's well. Everything's good.
Yeah. So, congratulations for Apna Time Bhi Aayega. I'm gonna watch it for sure.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. It means a lot.
Okay. So, what's up? How's you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good. You know, preparation is still going on, and I can't wait for the shoot to start and the show to actually come so that you guys can watch it.
So, thank you so much, Anushka, for being so supportive towards your Anushkins, and we are also grateful to have you. Couldn't have asked for a better idol.
My God, and I couldn't have asked for a better Anushkin's, you know, team because you guys are so supportive and you guys are like my major motivation. So, you know, all your edits and everything. Whenever I do a new role or whenever I come up with a new project and everyone's support is right there and it really, you know, hypes me up. So, thank you for that.
Okay.
Thank you, Ekta, and I really like your account. You know, I've seen your page, and it really, you know, makes me happy. Thank you so much.
Means the whole world to me. Thank you so much. Love you, Anushka.
Thank you. Lots of love back to you. Take care,
And
Ekta.
take care of yourself while shooting.
Oh,
Take
thank
all
you.
this.
Thank you so much. Everyone's wishes are with me, all my Anushkins, so I'm gonna be all right.
Yes, we are all with you. Okay.
Thank you, Ekta. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye. Hi. Hey, aesthetic Anushka. What's up, Juhi? What's up? Sumit Minen. What's up, Pandya? क्या हाल है? What's up, Pandya ji? Anushka, was you never in the same situation as Rani because you never had a godfather, you know? Yeah, there's a lot of no, like Rani also doesn't have a godfather or something, but you know, she also has like dreams, and she also she will have like some struggles and you know some barriers and everything. So like उसकी journey में क्या क्या होता है, and you know how she is, you know, fearlessly she goes on, and you know she wants what you know she dreams. So that is there. Yeah, there's some differences, like you know she's from UP Balia, and you know she lives with her grandparents and then something like that. So it's a whole journey, of course. So yeah, I'm pretty interested. I'm very excited because see, being Anushka, I've always been, you know, most of my life I've been in Mumbai. Most of my life I'm like 18, but in 18 years, most of the time I've been in Mumbai. 14 years. 4 साल से I've been in Mumbai. फिर you know, ये every role is so different. So it's really interesting. I love your Game of Fame. Thank you. And I've been seeing हर week सबका मतलब you know Star was the last winner. So and you know I am seeing everyone's score is like going up and up and up. मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है इतना. I can't reach that much. I don't know why. And I'm very competitive that way. Looking sharp. Thanks, Pandya. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sharp. I'm feeling black today, and you see, like, I'm having a black zipper, black. My hair has gone back to brown, which I am having no complaints with, by the way. Yeah, that's the stuff that's going on. Black is like black. I mean, come on. And even in my watch, can you see? Really like it. I mean, I'm going to stand up and go there. See, can you see this? Wow, bro, holy shit! Really like it. It's my dad's choice. He's really good with these kind of stuff. I swear. I must say your game is the best. Thank you so much. Keep playing it, and also, you know, all the people who don't know about it, it's called Game of Fame. It's my game, and if you want to download it, iOS link is in my bio. If you want, I'll someday put like the Android link as well, so you can. If for now, if you don't see the link, all you have to do is go to your Play Store and then search for Game of Fame and then download करके you can play. और the best part is कि उसमें Fame board है, तो आप log in करके जब खेलते हैं, मतलब when you sign up and play, so what happens is that ये होता है कि दिखता है Fame board पे, so I can also see, and if you are number 1 you get a shout out from me. Go Anushka, what's up भावेश, क्या हाल है तुम्हारा? कैसे हो तुम भावेश बालचंदानी? My exams are coming soon. Wish me all the best. Hope you do really good in your exams. You literally look good with any hair color. See, that's why, no, you guys like hype me up, मतलब अलग level पे. Like अपना time भी आएगा. Yes, भावेश. तुम्हारा time भी आएगा. अपना टाइम भी आएगा, सबका टाइम भी आएगा, अपना टाइम भी आएगा. अपना टाइम मतलब आएगा ब्रो, क्यों नहीं आएगा? अपना टाइम भी आएगा. I'm saying this so much in my life अभी, मतलब इतना मैं बोल रही हूँ अपना टाइम भी आएगा. Not only because I'm promoting or anything. I'm saying it because that sentence is like so dope. I mean, Hindi from your mouth feels like God's own language. Yo, can you read my comments? It's me, Zakia. Yes, yes. Oh, hi, Sakina. What's up? Did I hear game? Yes, Amay. Game. So, guys, Game of Fame. Do you like my account? Yes, I do. I really like your account. Okay, let's add somebody. You're looking very beautiful. Thank you. Hi, Sneh. Hi, Vidhi. Hi, Vidhi. What's up? No, Vaishu, I'm not ignoring you. I couldn't see your comment. Hi. I can't see
Hi,
you.
Anushka.
I can see your hand. Hi, I can't see you. What? I can't see. I think there's some net issue or something. I don't know. Whoa. Didn't happen. Sorry. Anushka, what about all the complaints about you rising the temperature? Good one. Hi babe, how have you been? Congratulations on Apna Time Bhi Aayega and Aina as well. Sorry I haven't been active, busy with life. Oh, thank you so much, Sakina. Thank you. And no, it's all right. I hope you are doing good. Hi Niharika. What's up? Today looking so cute and beautiful. Thank you. Hi Ayu. What's up? Don't fall. Yeah. Lots of love from Pakistan. Thank you. Thank you so much. Congrats for a new project. Thank you. Thank you so much. Let's see what questions you guys have put. A lot of questions. What's your phobia? What's my phobia? See, the only thing I'm scared of, I don't know the name of the phobia exactly, but then I'm scared of spiders. So I have put the poll where you guys, most of you guys know this, which I was shocked. मुझे मालूम ही नहीं था कि आप लोग को मालूम था कि मेरा like I'm scared of one and only thing, that's spiders. But damn guys, good job. एंड आई विल ऑल्सो जानना पड़ेगा मुझे कि इसको फोबिया में कैसे बोलते हैं. Which would be the first place you would go after corona? Like foreign country, if I'm saying foreign country में कहाँ जाऊँ पहले? I think I would see, I'm already 18, so I would either go for a Europe trip, yeah, or probably California. That's like two various things, but like, दो एकदम अलग चीज. But yeah, either I would go for a Europe trip, like पूरा वो जो होता है ना trip वो, या तो I would go to California, yeah. And India के अंदर, if you say where's the first place I would go, I've already been to Chandigarh in Corona, but after Corona I would go to Kolkata probably, where Zipshita is there. So I'm playing FIFA and listening to your live. Great, yeah, great. Listening to my live. That's a new thing. अच्छी बात है. You're supposed to come to Lucknow, but Corona stopped me from meeting you. Yeah. When you're coming to Patna, I will come to Patna. I'm telling you, मेरे पास list है, बहुत लंबी list है जिसमें मेरे को जाना पड़ेगा. मतलब, you know, I have to take like a trip to, like ऐसा all India trip करना पड़ेगा मुझे. God. But see, now my show will start, so I'm gonna get थोड़ा busy. So traveling and on is gonna be थोड़ा कम only. And anyways, this corona अभी some उस दिन मैंने सुना कि जैन में आ जाएगा वैक्सीन. फिर उस दिन वो बोले कि जून में आ जाएगा. अब जैन है या जून, I don't know. I hope जैन है. मतलब my mom heard June, like she told me June the next day. I heard Jan. I'm damn sure I only heard wrong, because मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि कब when is the corona gonna go. Raghav Narang, what did you do most interesting thing during pandemic? I think the most interesting thing for me would be baking. I've always wanted to bake, but then I never did. So yeah, pandemic में ही मैंने bake किया था. And और क्या? I think I started YouTube. I mean, there was YouTube always, but then I started being active. You know what I mean? तो फिर वो भी था interesting. You know, a lot of things interesting happened. I shot for 2 music videos. Then yeah, but the most interesting thing would be apna baking. Do you know Jakarta? Of course I know Jakarta. I have to go to Jakarta. How's Sindra? Sindra's मैं भूल ही गई मेरे को. सिंड्रा को वैक्सीन नेक्स्ट ईयर मार्च के बाद ही आएगा. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. तब तक we'll all be क्या बोलते हैं, सेफ रहेंगे हम सब. All the best for ATBA. Thank you. Thank you. I love the way you interact with your Anushkins. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sindra! Sindra! उसको वो रूम में आवाज नहीं आ रहा है शायद. सिंड्रा? Oh, I think she was sleeping. Asha! 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 Yeah! कोথায় আছো? अरे ना 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 वो देख. Wow. I think I have to walk up till there because she's there. Okay. Hello, Wala. Hello. You look dope. I want more pictures. Yes, of course, more pictures coming after my live. I think I have so many good pictures which I have to show you. My room looks dope. That's nice. I love this. Like, wow. Should take a selfie or something, you know, from low angle like that. Live में बता, then I forget only. Please say happy birthday to Shreya. Happy birthday, Shreya. Have a great birthday. Hi. Hey, Anushka admirer. Aesthetic, right? I know, right? Anushka, after Corona, come to Jakarta and meet. Sure. Cinderella is like, what's happening, bro? She's always like that. The Chandler look. The Chandler. I actually heard Chandler. I thought you were talking about Friends or something. Chandler looks gorgeous. Thank you. That's why I'm on and off. I'm here only, just typing every time there's a goal. Baki, I'm listening. Good. Good job. Very good job. Aesthetic room, wow. Thank you. Yeah. Eye roll once, like. Was that even good? I mean, wait. No, can't do it. When actually there's a mood, na, matlab kuch aisa hota hai na, actually I'm like, oh yeah, that one. That one is my eye roll. Joey, what's up? Ipsy. I was just saying, मैं এখনই বলছিলাম कि আমি করোনার পর সপ্তাহে গিয়ে কলকাতা আসবো বিকজ ইপসি আছে. Bro, 100 years क्या bro? Wow. What 100 years? 100 years is your minimum. So 1000 years now. Do a video on your makeup collection. Should I make like a IGTV something? Right? Instead of like a YouTube. For that, I mean. Yeah, dude. What yeah, dude? Achha, that yeah, dude. Okay. Damn, daughter. Hi, Dania. You're gonna be the next session. Oh, wow. Wow, that means a lot. Thanks. Hi, yaar. Please, hi. Ashbo. Jaldi ashbo. Anushka saying laughing is a cure to many diseases. I'm wondering that. Thank you. Please, I want to see your home. I will make रूम टूर. नाउ जो भी रूम टूर पुराना था वो पुराना है, बिकॉज अभी मेरे घर में बहुत कुछ एडिशंस हैं, सो आई कैन मेक अ रूम टूर. सो आई हैव टू आइडियाज नाउ. वन हैव टू डू अ मेकअप कलेक्शन व्हिच इज नॉट उतना ज्यादा. आई एम अ वेरी, you guys know, I'm a very simple person, don't use that much makeup. Hair मेरे पास बहुत makeup, so I'll show that. And what else? और अपना home tour, that is to there, मतलब. Thank you. किसी ने मेरे को लिखा 1000 years, 10,000 years you want me to live. That's sweet. Vibing in black. Okay. Yes. Priyank. Hi Priyank. I wanted to ask you guys, अपना time भी आएगा gonna come up on YouTube as well or just on ZTV? See, for now it's gonna come on ZTV only, I think. And I think they have Z5 also, but I don't think कि start में ही उधर आएगा. I'm not sure about it, because एक बार पता चला तो मैं बता दूंगी, ठीक है? Yeah, room tour. Amay Pandya is also saying room tour. Done, guys. So the next. Okay, now tell me, do you want a room tour IGTV, guys? Or do you want a room tour YouTube? Or you want both? Please tell me. I think YouTube's better because YouTube mein, I can make it longer instead of like going. I can make IGTV also longer, but I think I'll make a YouTube video. I think. देखते हैं, depend करता है. Yeah. Let's become vampire then. We all can live immortal for at least some time. Of course. Sure. Next video coming soon. I want a physical room tour. Sure. Done. Okay. Hi. How are you?
Hi Anushka,
How are you?
can you see me? Because I'm not able to see you also.
You can't see me. I can see you clearly, smiling and wearing glasses. I can see you. Yeah, so nice, yaar. I'm so happy. You look so happy.
How are you? Yes, because today I was not having work.
Wow, of
I was
course.
having leave, surprise leave,
Oh, that's
and I got some time.
oh, that's the
I got
scene.
some time.
Damn, good, yeah. Good, I'm happy for you.
So it's like, yes,
I wish you get more surprise leave like this so that you're happy and smiling. I've never seen you more happier. I mean, you're so happy that you've got to leave.
I don't know why I'm smiling this
Good,
much.
good, no, you should smile. People, you can see her smiling and laughing. You should be like this. Life is too serious. You have to laugh, or else, baap re, pressure ho
Yes,
jayega.
that's yes. And I was not getting time to see your posts also.
Oh.
Like from work, I leave home at 5:45 a.m. or something. I'll just come at 5 or 5:30 to home.
Did you just tell me 5 a.m.? Like, when do you
Yes,
wake up then? 3, 4?
around 3:30,
You're saying it so
4.
casually. What is this? Now I know why you're so super happy for your leave. You could sleep. You could, see Instagram. Nicely
Yes,
chilling, vibing. Good.
totally.
Totally.
Yes, and your life, that's even more surprise.
Good. Then
I
good day
can't
I came live.
express.
No, good decision I took.
Yes, yes. I was like, I didn't check your Instagram because I was studying some courses.
Yes.
I got notification Anushka is on live. I was like, what?
Oh, that's nice.
I came upstairs.
Good. Now I'm happier that I came live.
Yes, yes. I'm so happy. And watching you happy,
Thank
it
you.
makes us happiest.
Thank you. Thank
We
you
are
so much.
blessed.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations for Superstar. It's 200 million
Yeah.
soon. Congratulations for Girl Karke. Congratulations for Ayana. Aina.
Thank you.
Sorry, my Hindi.
It's okay.
And congratulations for Apna Time Bhi Aayega. Congratulations for everything.
Thank you. It's all because of, all my Anushkin's love and support. You guys are so good, and you know, all your like, okay, edits and all you guys do, that's of course there, but even more than that, you know, the whole support is means a lot.
Yes, we are happy. And say hi to auntie, uncle, Sindra,
Sure.
everyone.
Sure. Thank you so much.
Love you. Please stay safe.
Yeah, you
Be
too.
happy.
You also please be happy, stay safe, work safely, and take
Yes,
care.
yes. And the sad thing is, I'm not getting time to make edits.
It's okay. It's okay.
That's the sad thing.
You first work nicely and take care of your health.
Yeah, sure. Stay safe. Bye
Yeah.
bye.
Take care. Bye bye. Hi Palak. Hi Ananya. Hi Sanjana. I actually sang Sanjana for some reason. I don't know why. Happy 9.9 million followers and thank you. Thank you, Ayush. Thank you. Hi Dee. Lots of love from Australia. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Axa. What's your full name? Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Yeah. I can't add. AXAF. I can't add you for some reason. How do you feel when you're. Yeah, it was fun. Yeah, it was fun. Actually, it was fun. Do a detailed makeup collection video, Anushka. We want to see the brands you use. Sure, yeah, I will. I will do a non-sponsored, like not going to a particular brand. Like you know, I do. I'll just show you everything that I have. You know, bro, I'm coming to Mumbai when. Please don't tell me you're kidding. If actually you're coming to Mumbai, kya? Bro, that you're gonna make me very happy. Just tell me that you're just not ऐसे ही बोलছিস ना. Should I just actually switch from English to Hindi to Bengali? Bro, talent देखो यार, मतलब Ifshita, you are kidding, no? Why do you do that? Why do you do that to me? You know, don't do that to me. You look like Selena Gomez. I do? Thanks, yeah. Thank you. Next year, bro. Ifshita, this is not done. I know next year you're coming. Before that. Can you evening good bro? But nahi, next year, for sure. Look at the priceless reaction. I love you, yaar. That's why. I know, yeah. I know. I love you more, yaar, Ifshita. You know that. You do. What do you do? You know, whenever I'm saying you do, so दिमाग में क्या आता है मेरे? I like the view. You do? Corona, bro. Tell it to go. Go, Corona, go. Go. Just go. There's a video I saw. I remember beginning of this coronavirus. Somebody made that video. Go, Corona, something like that. I forgot. My nails now they're boring because Rani does not wearing nail polish, so I'm also not wearing. I was thinking before the shoot starts, I'm probably gonna wear some nail polish for a few days, then probably not wear it. But I'm too lazy. Anushka, I'm sick. Can you say get? Oh, please get well soon, Jenna. Please. Hey, bro, surprise live. I was sleeping. Bro, it's not surprise live. I said मैंने 1-2 बजे बोल दिया था I'm coming live at 5. Come on यार, this is not done. I made one on Corona and I remember. Rani is good in maths and I love maths. Yeah, man, Rani is like, she's like a human calculator. She's like a dope person, bro. Hello, Didi. Which is your favorite car? I don't have a particular favorite car. I have few favorite cars. You know, I really like Ferrari. I like BMW. I like Lamborghini. Something like that. No, the issue is because of the song Lamborghini Chalai Jane or something like that. That song, what happens is now you don't say Lamborghini, which is the actual pronunciation. Now it's a whenever somebody's saying Lamborghini, you know what I mean, right? Rani, yes, ma'am, my even math, अच्छा, even you like maths, that's cool, yeah. मेरा टाइम कब आएगा? आ जाएगा, अपना टाइम भी आएगा. Remember, guys, the show you're making, it's because to make people realize that, guys, everyone's time will come. Damn Lamborghini, yeah, man. क्या गाड़ी है? Please add Smoky Popsicle. I can't see Smoky Popsicle's comment, and I really like the username. I mean, bro, कैसे? Let me see आता है या नहीं इसमें. Smoky Pops नहीं आ रहा है. नहीं आ रहा है. Anushka, I'm so sorry not to make edits because my study. No problem. मेरा टाइम आता ही नहीं. आएगा. अपना टाइम आएगा. And I can't see Smoky Popsicles. क्या बोलते हैं? नाम नहीं आ रहा है वो एडिशन में. Sorry, Smoky Popsicle. I know that's not your name, but I don't know your name. So it's 5:42. And I think I should take your leave now. But thank you so much आप सबके इतना प्यार के लिए and आप सबने रानी को इतना प्यार दिया already, you know, because प्रोमो में आप लोग ने इतना support किया है, इतना आप लोग खुश हो गए for the surprise that I was waiting for, you know, for a long, not very long time, but for a week, and I was waiting that I want to tell you. I'm so happy that you guys are liking Rani already, liking the show plot, and you know, are excited for the show. So thank you for all the edits. Thank you for all the, you know, support. You guys know that, and this really means a lot to me. We're gonna reach 10 million pretty soon. So thank you guys. I'm gonna join DMs for sure, the groups, and thank you guys. Everybody saying. Thank you. Oh, yeah. Oh. So thank you guys for all your love, and I'm gonna take your leave now. So stay tuned for the second promo, which is gonna come very soon. And again, apna time bhi aayega. It's gonna come on Z from 20th October, Monday to Saturday, 7 p.m. Thanks for all the edits, and yeah. Take care of yourself. Please wear your mask when you go outside, and when you wear your mask, please don't wear it here. Wear it here. And if somebody's not wearing it properly, there's no shame. You can tell them. I mean, you know, tell them nicely that please wear your mask correctly, because it's really important for everyone to be safe. जितना जल्दी कोरोना जाएगा हम सबके लिए अच्छा है. So take care of your health, everyone. Bye bye.